and they are outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana spot ETFs. In addition to that, Charles Schwab just said that they are going to open up their offices to allow for crypto trading. Top crypto things you might have missed. December 4th, 2025, Thursday. Also, too, there's really no such thing as the term simp. Some of you have forgot how the chase works. Anyways, since November 13th, spot XRP ETFs have seen consistent daily flows totaling 874 million with 13 straight days in the green. Larry Fink's BlackRock came out and said that he was wrong about Bitcoin and crypto. Earlier this week, he also talked about Bitcoin and crypto, comparing it to the early days of the internet, 1996, and we all know what happened with the internet. Then Charles Schwab came out and said, we're going to offer crypto trading. And between BlackRock and Charles Schwab, and they have about 20 trillion of assets under management, which is crazy. And this should be happening first quarter of 2026. And again, there's still no confirmation whether BlackRock will apply for an XRP spot ETF. We do know that they want to convert their Ethereum spot ETF into Ethereum staking ETF. And no comment on the Solana ETF either. But Franklin Templeton launches their own Solana ETF. BlackRock's Biddle fund crosses 500 million on BNB chain, and that's all about RWAs and tokenization. And BlackRock CEO Larry Fink also came out to say that multiple sovereign funds are buying Bitcoin. And if they're going to be buying Bitcoin, they're probably going to be taking a look at different crypto assets, primarily the ones that are crypto spot ETFs. Just my opinion. He also said that these funds were buying Bitcoin at the $80,000 range, what made sense. But remember, these guys care about their bottom line, which is why Larry Fink had very negative things to say about Bitcoin and crypto for a very, very long time. But once they actually started seeing that bottom line go up, they have only but good things to say about Bitcoin and crypto. Midnight finally launched their Cardano native token, Night. Midnight is a privacy sidechain. Right now, currently, there's a lot of Bitcoin short positions rising. About 6 billion are at risk ahead of the Fed's rate decision. This is going to happen on the December 9th or 10th. Strategies Bitcoin buying has essentially slowed, which makes sense because there's a lot of FUD regarding their financials, but that doesn't mean that they're in trouble financially. They said they might be if Bitcoin dumps 65%. We should get an update from the MSCI about whether Strategy will still be listed or not. This last story is funny. Citadel Securities urged the SEC to regulate DeFi platforms offering tokenized US stocks under existing securities laws rather than granting board exemptions. And they're probably just pissed off that they didn't get in early enough.